What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get trading fee discount on BullX. Also, before you get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now the way that you can get a trading fee discount on BullX is by having someone else refer you to the platform. And as you can see here on my screen, it says friends that you refer get early access to BullX and also a 10% trading fee discount. So if you guys want to sign up to BullX and get 10% trading fee discount, I will leave my sign up partner link in the description below. But you don't have to use my link, you can use any other link from a BullX partner. But essentially, that's guys how you can save up on fees with BullX. I just thought I'd share it here just in case you want to save up on a few dollars.